nice. Dutty bitch. If she know to my standard, man, I
touching it.
What you mean? If she ugly, she cannot get a suck off from a body tip.
No!
I can do what I
Oh
want.
my gosh, this is what the dog said, man.
Dutty bitch. If she know to my standard, man, not fucking it. What you mean? If she ugly, she cannot get a suck off from a body tip.
No!
Reaction.
Yeah. Alright. What's the ready to Mr. Boy TyrekeReacts, aka the reaction boss, and I'm back in effect with another video for you guys. Where the song from? I can't even pronounce the dog name, but just know say the dog have a trending song, a hot song right now. Way man TJ, you see me, I say sing about up Jamaica right now. But if just a song, drop a song like 30 minutes ago, me just log on for the night time. I say, what me for react to phone? You see me, I say, so I give him the bad song. The song is called Dutty Mill. Do a chop already. Official music video. We love the video them already. We see a bad girl. We see a bad boy in the thumbnail. So you know what I go on. You never like on the video, drop a comment. And if you don't know what to comment, you promise you for the comment some 5 emoji. And we don't want a 1 comment. And we don't want a 2 comment. Because we don't play number 2. 3 to 4 to 5 comments in the comment section. If you don't know what to comment, drop some 5 emoji. Maybe we get straight to the video right now. Thank you for 21k subs. Let's get to 22k now, man. You see me? Anyways, right through. You see what I go on here now. Dutty Millie. It's a movie. Girl shot.
Josh Code. Million I'm a friend. If you don't know cash code, you don't know where riches yet.
I say if you don't know cash code, they don't know riches yet. But guess what? We are continuing. We are locking right now. We see a bad bitch right there. Let's go.
Hey, baby, is that you?
Dutty Mill, Dutty. Big house, fat car, double it.
Dutty Mill, big house, fat car, double it. What the girl they do? Where the bitch should be? Where the bitch should get? Hold on.
Dutty bitch.
Okay. I'm messing with that down. I don't want to run back there too. Go on.
Dutty Mill, Dutty. Big house, fat car,
Double it. Hey.
Dutty bitch. If she not to my standard, man, not fucking it.
You hear that dog say if she up to his standards, him not touching it at all. Oh my gosh.
Dutty bitch. If she not to my standard, man, not
touching
fucking
it.
it. What you mean? If she ugly, she cannot get a suck off from a body tip.
No!
I can do what I
Oh
want.
my gosh, this is what the dog said, man.
Dutty bitch. If she not to my standard, man, not fucking it. What you mean? If she ugly, she cannot get a suck off from a body tip.
No!
I can do what I want, remember my money big.
Yeah!
I can do what I want.
Remember my money big.
Rich money, this dolly. I travel with the big body. With the matic, mama put her lips on it. Sit on it, better yet split on it.
That's if you sit on it, you better just split on it. Walla.
I remember my money big. I can do what I want.
No!
Rich money, this dolly. I travel with the big body. With the matic, mama put her lips on it. Sit on it, better yet split on it. Hold me on, man. Remember me till I say me rich, no lie. For par with me, I have to risk your life. So now we.
Oh my gosh, baby, that's if you parody you have to risk your life. Let's remember saying rich, no lie. You dog say, baby, him can do whatever he want because his money big. What are your thoughts about that in the comment section? Let's keep going, Bob.
Outside now, bitch, don't cry. No ball to me. How you feel of the artist, mama, you're a stupid fool. Every girl a talk to me. Show before you born for me, bitch, you born to me.
You dog flex for no long. You dog say, baby girl, if you love the artist, listen what the dog said.
No ball to me. How you feel of the artist, mama, you're a stupid fool.
The dog say, you're stupid. If you fall in love with the artist, Jesus Christ.
Every girl a talk to me. Show before you born for me, bitch, you born to me. I don't want to see. 30 grand US lease for the boss jewelry. 30 mil me pull on since the last few weeks. So fucking Benz truck is not a cost to me. Piece of that and piece of this.
Yes.
None a change. Enhance is a piece of shit.
Never.
My money hot, fever. So what the fuck you buy a market so you feel rich, bro?
Man, one Marcus and face here, Rich. All them tell me eat that chopper boy. Yo, talk to them.
He's a fucking need that is look pa me neck me feel a fridge. He's a fucking freak of this. That a ton of gal in a freak. I'm out like my breeze. I laugh. And you see and test on me, go sit a talk me dog. Skill what you say, dark me dog. I feel me kinda fast though, bro, me I go walk it off. no lies to who give fuck if police charge me that. Remember me.
That money big, don't care if you get pulled over. Don't care if police charge. No, listen to the dog. Listen to the dog. Listen to the man.
Who give fuck if police charge me that. Remember me. Bad man. Hack a fire shot. Pam pam pam. Hold me young man. Remember me till I see me rich, no lie. For bar with me, I have to risk your life. So now we outside, no bitch, don't cry. Hold me young man. Remember me till I see me rich, no lie. If my broke your heart, no bitch, don't cry. Remember me till I have to risk your life.
Brother, you're savage, no blood clot. The dog say, baby girl, if the dog say if him broke your heart, don't cry. No woman don't cry like Bob Marley say, baby, listen to the dog. Go on.
If my broke your heart, no bitch, don't cry. Remember me till I have to risk your life. Pretty preps, I got the fattest pussy, girl, I got the stiffest breast. Make cocky expensive.
Molan, what him say?
Don't cry. Remember me tell you have to risk your life. Pretty preps, I got the fattest pussy, girl, I got the stiffest breast. Make cocky expensive. So if my plan for fuck you know, you got the richest sex. Your man broke.
Wallan. They can't make that part of the play once I've listened again. Listen what the dog say.
Pretty preps, I got the fattest pussy, girl, I got the stiffest breast. Make cocky expensive. So if my plan for fuck you know, you got the richest sex. Your man broke him, should he even vex. Tell him for lock him out and shut him stinking breath.
Disrespectful, oh my God.
Shut up. You wanna stink? I gotta show it in the bin.
First reaction is from my dog. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm fuck with it. What are your thoughts down below in the comment section? I'm giving you a bad video, quick and fast. Don't leave a like and comment your thoughts. So we want me to next. You see me yourself? I'm gone. The fuck you looking at me for? I'm gone. Peace.